This world is not yet ready for all that you will do. Your time will come, Diana. And everything will be different.
I used to want to save the world. This beautiful place. But the closer you get, the more you see the great darkness within.
You have been my greatest love. Be careful, Diana. I do not deserve you.
I learned this the hard way, a long, long time ago.
What is your mission?
To stop the war.
What war?
The war to end all wars. Weapons far deadlier than you can ever imagine.
The war can be ours.
Whoever you are in more danger than you think.
I cannot stand by while innocent lives are lost.
Be careful, Diana.
It is our sacred duty to defend the world, and it's what I'm going to do. What I do is not up to you.